The Filet-O-Fish might not get as much attention as the Big Mac or McNuggets, but since it was first added to McDonald's menu in 1962, it has become a favorite, especially during Lent, when many people turn to this tasty seafood option. At the heart of this sandwich is wild-caught Alaska pollock, crispy tempura batter, and a soft steamed bun. McDonald's serves hundreds of millions of Filet-O-Fish sandwiches every year, and behind each one is a supply chain that stretches from the cold waters of the North Pacific to kitchens all around the world. Turning a fish catch into a fast food classic isn't just about speed. It's a process that makes sure each sandwich tastes the same every time. As you'll see, it takes good timing, teamwork, and a lot of tartar sauce to make it all happen. Hello Internet! Welcome to Process Hub, the channel that takes you behind the scenes of the world's most popular foods, starting with the crispy, flaky goodness of McDonald's Filet-O-Fish. Before we look at how the Filet-O-Fish is made, let's take a quick look at its beginnings. The Filet-O-Fish was created to solve a problem. In the 1960s, McDonald's franchisee Lou Groen noticed that his sales dropped on Fridays in his Catholic neighborhood in Cincinnati, Ohio. Catholics don't eat meat on Fridays, so they were looking for a fish option. Groen came up with the idea for a fish sandwich, tested different fish and recipes, and created what we now know as the Filet-O-Fish. The sandwich was first offered at Groen's restaurant, and its success led McDonald's to introduce it nationwide in 1962. At the time, it was a fresh idea, since most fast food chains focused on burgers and chicken, not fish. The Filet-O-Fish quickly became popular, especially among those observing Lent and other religious traditions that required meatless Fridays. McDonald's added it to locations across the country, and soon it became a permanent part of the menu. Over the years, there have been some changes, like different breading techniques and adjustments to the type of fish used. But the main ingredients, the fish fillet, tartar sauce, and steamed bun, have stayed the same. Today, it's available year-round and is one of McDonald's most popular items. What makes the Filet-O-Fish different from other fast food fish sandwiches is its simplicity. Unlike others with thick fish or heavy breading, the Filet-O-Fish has a light, crispy coating that lets the mild flavor of the fish stand out. This balance of taste and texture has kept the sandwich popular for years. McDonald's has also stayed committed to using sustainable seafood, helping the sandwich stay relevant as more people care about ethical sourcing and environmental responsibility. In recent years, the Filet-O-Fish has become popular with more than just Catholic customers, as many people choose it as a lighter, satisfying alternative to McDonald's famous burgers. Its unique spot on the menu has made it one of McDonald's most loved items. Whether it's fast food lovers or those wanting a fish option, the Filet-O-Fish has proven to be a standout product. Now let's take a closer look inside the factory where the Filet-O-Fish is made. The first step in making the perfect Filet-O-Fish is getting the fish. McDonald's is committed to using fish that's sustainably sourced, and the Filet-O-Fish follows this. The fish used is usually Alaskan pollock, a mild-flavored fish that's tasty and plentiful in the cold waters of the North Pacific. Alaskan pollock is chosen because it's sustainable, available, and has a mild flavor that works well with the other parts of the sandwich. Alaskan pollock is from the cod family, making it a great choice for a fast food fish sandwich. Its light, flaky texture goes well with the creamy tartar sauce and soft bun, creating a nice balance of flavors and textures. Pollock also has a high yield, meaning more of the fish can be used for fillets, which is important for mass production. Its firm texture helps the fish stay in shape during processing, resulting in the smooth, bite-sized pieces that McDonald's customers enjoy. The pollock is sourced from fisheries that follow strict sustainability rules to keep fish populations healthy and protect the environment. McDonald's works with fisheries certified by the Marine Stewardship Council, MSC, which ensures the fish are responsibly sourced. The MSC certification shows that the fish are caught in ways that protect the ocean, helping preserve the marine environment for future generations. Once the pollock is caught, it's quickly frozen to keep it fresh. Freezing it soon after capture helps maintain its quality and flavor. The fish is flash frozen within hours, locking in the taste and ensuring it arrives at McDonald's suppliers fresh. From there, the fish fillets are shaped and breaded, ready to be made into the tasty sandwich we all enjoy. The focus on sustainable sourcing and fast freezing helps make sure the Filet-O-Fish is fresh and eco-friendly. By working with responsible fisheries, McDonald's ensures customers enjoy a tasty product that also supports ocean conservation. This commitment to quality and sustainability appeals to more consumers who care about the environmental impact of their food. Every Filet-O-Fish purchased helps support fisheries that protect the health of our oceans. When the fish arrives at the plant, it's defrosted and cleaned before being filleted. The bones and skin are removed and the fish is cut into even pieces to make uniform fillets. This ensures each fillet is the same size and shape, so the Filet-O-Fish stays consistent and high quality at every McDonald's. Next, the fish is battered. A thin layer of batter is added to each fillet, giving it a crispy coating that turns golden when fried. The batter is lightly seasoned with spices, adding a subtle flavor that doesn't overpower the pollock. After the batter, the fillets are coated with breadcrumbs, creating a crunchy golden outside that customers love. Next, the fillets are quickly fried to keep them crispy. This quick frying helps avoid too much grease while making sure the breading is crunchy. The fillets are fried at a high temperature for a short time, sealing the batter and breadcrumbs around the fish without overcooking the inside. This keeps the fish crispy on the outside and tender on the inside when it's served in the sandwich. Once the fish is fried, it's frozen again and shipped to McDonald's restaurants. Freezing it quickly helps keep the flavor and texture intact, so the fish stays fresh and crispy when the Filet-O-Fish is served. The freezing also makes it easier to handle during transport and storage, ensuring the fillets arrive in great condition. This process helps McDonald's serve the same high-quality fish sandwich everywhere, so customers get a consistent experience no matter where they are. At the restaurant, putting together the Filet-O-Fish is simple and satisfying. The soft, warm steamed bun is the perfect match for the crispy fish fillet. The buns are steamed in large batches to make sure they're soft and warm when served. Steaming keeps the buns light and fluffy, perfectly balancing the crispy fish for a great mix of textures. The warm bun also helps bring out the flavors, making each bite comforting and delicious. Next, the fish fillet is placed on the bun, and a generous amount of McDonald's famous tartar sauce is added. The tartar sauce, creamy and tangy, is made with ingredients like mayonnaise, relish, and mustard. It balances the mild flavor of the fish and boosts the sandwich's overall taste. The creamy sauce also contrasts nicely with the crispy fish. It's spread on both the top and bottom of the sandwich for a burst of flavor in every bite. Once the fish and sauce are added, the sandwich is finished by placing the top bun on the fillet. This simple setup makes the Filet-O-Fish easy to eat and keeps all the flavors together. The soft bun, creamy tartar sauce, and crispy fish combine to create a perfect balance of textures and flavors. The assembly ensures the sandwich stays neat and easy to handle, even when you're eating it quickly. Once the Filet-O-Fish is put together, it's wrapped and served hot, ready to enjoy. Whether you're having a quick lunch or a satisfying dinner, the Filet-O-Fish is a tasty choice that offers the same high-quality experience McDonald's is known for. Each sandwich is made to ensure every bite is just as good as the last, providing comfort and flavor in a fast, convenient meal. One important part of the Filet-O-Fish is McDonald's focus on sustainability. McDonald's works with suppliers to make sure the fish they use is sustainably sourced. They follow standards set by groups like the Marine Stewardship Council, MSC, which certifies fisheries that meet strict rules for protecting the oceans and fish populations for the future. By choosing pollock from sustainable fisheries, McDonald's helps keep fish populations healthy for the future. This is important for both the environment and the long-term success of the Filet-O-Fish. McDonald's also works with suppliers to use eco-friendly practices in production, such as saving energy and reducing waste. This approach ensures that McDonald's stays focused on minimizing its environmental impact. McDonald's has made big efforts to reduce its environmental impact by focusing on energy-efficient cooking, cutting down on waste, and using recyclable packaging. The company keeps looking for new ways to be more eco-friendly. The Filet-O-Fish fits into McDonald's sustainability goals, offering a tasty fish sandwich that also supports the environment. McDonald's also works on improving transportation to make sure the fish gets to the restaurant in the most sustainable way. McDonald's focus on sustainability goes beyond just the fish. It's about making sure every menu item is made with the environment in mind. As customers care more about the planet, McDonald's dedication to responsible sourcing makes the Filet-O-Fish a popular, eco-friendly choice. With every sandwich sold, McDonald's is setting a new standard for sustainable fast food, allowing customers to enjoy their meals without harming the oceans. The Filet-O-Fish started in the United States, but has since become popular worldwide, showing up on McDonald's menus in many countries. Its popularity isn't just limited to areas with large Catholic populations. In fact, it's a favorite in places like Japan, where seafood is a big part of the diet, and in the Middle East, where people often choose fish instead of beef or chicken. The Filet-O-Fish's ability to fit into different food cultures has made it a global success. McDonald's changes its menu based on the region, so while the Filet-O-Fish is mostly the same in most countries, there are some differences. For example, in some Asian countries, the sandwich may come with extra toppings like lettuce, or the tartar sauce might be spicier to match local tastes. In some places, you might find unique options like pickled vegetables or wasabi sauce. Even with these changes, the crispy pollock fillet stays the same, keeping its classic flavor while adapting to local preferences. The Filet-O-Fish's global popularity shows how it appeals to different tastes and diets. In some areas, it's even a go-to choice during certain seasons or celebrations. For example, in parts of Europe, the sandwich is especially popular during Lent when people look for meatless options. Its simple mix of fish, tartar sauce, and a soft bun has helped it become a favorite fast food around the world. No matter where you are, whether in the US, Japan, or anywhere else, the Filet-O-Fish brings people together. Its popularity shows how food can connect different cultures, and it's clear this sandwich has become a worldwide favorite. Next time you enjoy a McDonald's Filet-O-Fish, you'll taste the fresh fish, crispy filet, and tangy tartar sauce that make it so popular. From its simple start to becoming a fast food favorite, the Filet-O-Fish still offers a tasty and sustainable meal for fish lovers everywhere. Its lasting appeal comes from its simple yet tasty flavor, making it a great choice for those wanting something different from burgers. Whether with fries or on its own, the Filet-O-Fish is a comforting option that never gets old. For many, it shows that great taste is all about using good ingredients and enjoying every bite. Now that you've got the inside scoop on how McDonald's Filet-O-Fish is made, we'd love to hear from you. Do you prefer the Filet-O-Fish or another classic McDonald's sandwich? Let us know in the comments below, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tasty breakdowns. See you next time.